To inspect and replace the air filter on your Sportsman 450, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park, and set the parking brake. Begin by lifting up on the rear of the seat and pulling back to remove. Before continuing, clean the area around the airbox with a clean cloth. Next, release the 6 airbox cover clips and remove the cover. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, loosen the air filter hose clamp. Then, carefully maneuver the air filter out of the airbox. Inspect the filter for any excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean out the inside of the airbox with a clean cloth. Next, apply a small amount of general-purpose grease to the sealing edges of the filter before reinstalling. Then, reinstall the filter into the airbox, ensuring it is fully seated and resting on the filter supports. Continue by reinstalling the hose clamp and torquing to specification. Next, reinstall the airbox cover, ensuring the cover seal is fully seated. Then, secure the 6 cover clips. Finally, install the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.